Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye-bye.
I just have some few things to say to the governor of Edo State. Edo State governor. Because I saw some video on Saturday which I shared too. And I shared that video on my platform. And today, this morning, I saw another video again of demolition of another person's property. I don't know if the person, they are the same. But seeing that demolition of property, it's like Edo State is going backwards. That is my belief, my people. It's like Edo State is going backward. But there you now see some people, some heartless people, some people who have bipolar disorder. It is only when they have problem they know that, oh, this fire or this war is for everybody. But the moment that fire is not for them, they don't care whoever it may concern. Because I heard that hotel at Adenya belongs to one Mr. Victor Ihile, aka Mojo. I don't know him, but what I read, they said is Obaseki supporter. Is the supporter, is Governor Godwin Obaseki supporter. Baba Osasuyi, I greet you. I greet you. I greet you, Gedegbe. Please, my people, help me to share. These are issues that we need to address. Help me to share. We need to address this issue. I just have a few minutes for it because it is late already, but I still have to. No matter what. It might be you today, it might be me tomorrow. It might be anybody tomorrow. But what I am saying is that why are they not demolishing their own that they know, they themselves know that, okay, they trespass the government property or whatever. You cannot demolish a place without a written document. It's not done in diaspora. It's not done in anywhere. But it is done in Edo State that you can destroy property. You can demolish any property. But without a project. You don't have a project to show to the people. But you have demolition to show to the people. Peter Fred, good evening, my brother. Iwan Bonuwa for Edo people. I saw a lot of Edo people. They are happy about the demolition going on in their state. Demolition of property. These are property. These are not houses. Even for house for Europe here, if they want to destroy that house, if they want to destroy the house, each tenant, even if not 20 tenants, they the house. They are ready. The government will settle them with 7,000 euro for them to pack out because they inconvenience the people. They will settle each person, each tenant with 7,000 euro just because they inconvenience them to go and look for another place to be living. And these people, they will give them priority that wherever they find houses, they will be the number one. But this property that are being demolished now in Edo land, are the people being compensated? Because why I'm saying it is that, number one, they started with Chief Bobizwa. That shopping mall was almost 1 billion naira. I heard some people were crying years ago that some said they paid 500,000. Some said they paid this just for the store, one store. We all know what shopping mall is. A shopping mall worth 1 billion naira. Don't you know that the standard of that shopping mall will provide a lot of jobs for Edo people? City boss, I greet you, Baba. You are welcome. The standard of those shopping malls will provide jobs for whoever it may be. The government can also seize it. Don't demolish. Demolishing a property worth 1 billion naira. What are you going to gain? That 1 billion naira, you can easily convert it to government property. It can be a major office there for the government. It can be a major property there for the government. In diaspora, government don't seize property and start demolishing it. No. If they want to demolish buildings, they know that they have made a lot of money from that building. And when they want to demolish it, they will settle individual living in that place. They will settle them. Those people living in that place, they will settle them. But first of all, they will also give them a written letter. And that letter has to be in the community. I beg my people, any letter they already local government area for these buildings where they destroy, so say, okay, this is not the reason where the government bring come out. Say if they one board for the local, maybe already local government or a local government or Ikpoba local government say, this area, see the building where we want demolish, but see the reason where we want demolition. The ones we are seeing today, even Comrade Tony Kabaka own. They said it's in government land, and that is the only land, the only property that was destroyed there. What happened to the rest? Why are the rest not destroyed today? Why are they not diverting to Adenya Akenswad? Because the one they demolished today now, they said is a twin-story building for shopping mall for another person again. I don't know the owner, but it is being destroyed again. Edo State has become the land of demolition. Edo State has become a land of no repair. There is no project to show. Is there Gelegele to show in Edo land? Do you people have Gelegele seaports? Do you people have refinery there? The Osiomo power plant, is it giving you people the light? The thing tire me, my Edo people, because it just there somehow. It looks like majority of Edo people, are not loud. Majority of Edo people, they love darkness. They love darkness. Majority of Edo people, you cannot fight for them. Majority of them love backwardness. How can you be happy? I shared the video today on my platform, and I shared it to different pages. I saw the way people were reacting. So we are even saying, go and do your findings. Do findings as in what? There should be a poster. At least the governor, they work on social media. There should be pages for that. Like the governor page, I went to check. I didn't see anything. There is no written letter on their reasons of demolishing those property. I went to Abatobazeho. There is nothing like that. I went to Apostle Alfred page, because that one like to carry waiting no consigner. I went to a page. They don't share those video of demolition on their page. Where me and the page here? The video, I went to Comrade Show. There is nothing like that about demolition in their page. Why are they not sharing it? Why are they not sharing it? Why are they not? Why are they not letting the people of Edo State know the reason, their main reason of demolishing those property? So it has become for everybody to know now that Edo State is a land of destruction. It's a land of destruction. It's a land of demolition. It might be your turn today. It might be my turn tomorrow. It might be anybody's turn tomorrow. Whosoever that pleases. That Mojo own for Adenya on Saturday, they said he's a governor supporter. Even the person was even shouting 4+4. They still destroy, and not to talk of you way not shout 4+4. They still destroy who shout 4+4. Oh, they say now who get the person where he get according to the readings when I don't read for different people platform. Say now person where even shout 4+4 use your own money take campaign for the governor. Now then destroy so. So what about you now? Me and you now, where be say we did the opposition. Who get do our fool? Edo State ya wa ki o gbeleze. O See, for Chief Bobizwa, that project worth 1 billion naira. A project that worth 1 billion naira. Don't you know that project can create a lot of jobs for Edo people? That project can put smile on Edo people's face. But that project was being destroyed, demolished. Till today, they're not doing anything put. Oga Pepper Soup, I greet you, sir. Good evening. You are welcome to my ministry, sir. You are welcome to my ministry, oh. This is not my ministry. May we just talk on because the whole thing, how can a dope person now go and invest? Can you go seeing all this demolition left and right, front and back? Can you now go and invest in Edo State? We are investing now. Who is going to invest now? Who is going to invest now when you know that fully well tomorrow your property might be destroyed? Do you know some people we are even saying now Oshomole start up. So meaning waiting Oshomole do. Then a well-educated governor, when he goes school, when he even they say he goes school for America, can they practice the same? Baba Kingsley, I greet. Westlink, I greet. You all are welcome to my ministry. I greet you now. The entire person, Other states, they are building. Go look Governor Zulum of Borno State. Go see the projects where the man get 500 and something projects. I do not get one. I do not get one. The only project when Edo State get now demolition of property. Edo State not get refinery, but then get demolition of property. Edo State not get Gelegele Seaport, but then get demolition of shopping mall. Then get demolition of shopping mall. The only project that Edo State have now is demolition, and we all should clap for you. Wagima 4+4. Go about page. Go city bus nenemi no munegbe. There. Cranting boss. Go e page. There. They're not they share all those ones. All those evil things. They're not they share them. Those bad things where they go on for Edo State. They're not they share them. They're not they talk about them. Go Apostle Alfred. No we amweme Buhari now. Nigeria must this. I support this. I support ECN. They're not they share them. Why are they not also sharing those things? To let other people know that, okay, this is the reason that they demolish. See, if you support somebody, you support person in a right way. Support that person even in a good way, also in a bad way. These people, they're supposed to come to say, see the reason why they demolished that place. So they're supposed to even come to say, now they are what we are supposed to know, waiting they go on. Really, why they demolish? Even the people when they read down for Vanguard for everywhere, those people now no need them be. They don't want to show their face. They don't want to show their name. Then just they talk say this person where they destroy a hotel for Adenya or Saturday. Now 4+4. Now 4+4 member. Now Togba member. Mr. Victor Ihile, aka Mojo. Now, so they said, now they call them. But at the end of the day, what is the reason of them demolishing only that house? Just the same way they demolish Comrade Tony Kabaka Hotel. How can you destroy places that provide food for people? Where people for they get money they eat. See, sometimes things are easy to convert. They are easy to convert and you can make your money from there one time. You can seize a place and convert it to government property. Even if you say, oh, maybe if I don't come out, another regime go give them back. But you make sure, say, before you come out for post, before another regime can't give them back, use that to make money for the state. Like Chief Bobiswa shopping mall where they destroy. If supposing that shopping mall, the government build and finish, use and change to government shopping mall, it not go good. You sure say from 3 years ago or 4 years ago when they destroyed that thing, that they not go ever don't make that money. You know what did they surprise me? Now businessman, they rule Edo State. But it looks like a state that a businessman is not ruling. Now businessman, they rule Edo State. Now that one be the painful aspect of it inside. Now that it they make me they talk. A businessman go here 1 naira here 2 naira. What is going on? A businessman that will not think further to say, okay, this hotel, let me not destroy it, but I will seize this property, settle these people, but I'm going to convert it to something else that will benefit Edo people. That shopping mall, if you collect them from that person's hand, seize them from the person's hand, settle the person, then change them to government shopping mall for local food. He say he want to do gele na no get head though. Gele no get head Edo people. At least the inland whatever way in they talk. Inland dry sea, I don't know, where it just newly signed. So inland dry sea export and import, where you talk so. Those places not supposed to be warehouse. Or even all this you know they bring Chinese come Edo land again. Nah. We are seeing do here no more Lagos. They full everywhere now. Where they their name or may I remember these people? Mona Noves. Not be even somebody from Dubai. I think he get one person where newly come with some people where come see a few months ago. That they sell clothes for Lagos too. If he launch people there, if he convert them to international hotel, all those entourage when they bring come, or even the Edo best when they go do for the school where Oshomole built for those children. If he convert one of that place for Edo best, he can make it a place that can be bringing money for Edo land too. He can convert it to even McDonald's for Edo land too. That place he go employ people. They bring money for the state too. What is the need of demolishing things? What is the meaning of demolishing things? Oyibo people not just they demolish things. They not they demolish like that without proper planning. If they don't demolish them, instantly you will come see the building where it go there. It go there more powerful, more solid than waiting there before. If na 5-story building first day the ground before. If Oyibo one, yes, thank you, my brother Lebanese Westlink. Thank you. Those na Lebanon in they bring come now. At least one of the hotel, if you just convert and say, now here ain't go they put all in entourage where they come. In Lebanese counterpart where they want to do 30 years project for Edo land. A Lebanon man coming to Edo land to come and do 30 years project. He go for just carry one hotel like that, convert them to government property. What is the need of demolishing things? When you are a businessman, you think forward, you think straight, you think left, you think right. That is the reason of you being a businessman. It is for you to think and have different ideas. How you're going to come about things. You might seize this property for them. Even if not 2 years, you stay there. But make sure that this thing, you use and to make money for that land. If another regime can't give them back, but that one not be your own, but you know say, you don't seize them. I deal with auction, buying and selling for auctions. I don't know, some of you now don't come across where people go they sing 1 euro, 2 euro, 3 euro, 4 euro, 5 euro, but this one is online. You bid on it. Then they sell houses there. Then they sell all those things there. Why don't they use those things for it? Maybe the owner fit build the place now for 1 billion. Then he go say he want to up throw away. The owner fit still come back for 2 billion. It is also business too. You can see something from somebody, or you both know they destroy things. Then they auction them throw away. Then they auction them. And at the end of the day, sometimes you will see waiting you buy for 500. You will see say the worth of those things is a 500,000. Now, so you both they do their business, they go whereby at the end of the day, we always come from Africa. We they run, they come here, come they eat nyafo. We they born here. Our children they get benefit here. If supposing they just this one go say na my regime, let me demolish this property. The other one go come, he go say na my regime, let me demolish this property. Look at what some evil people were writing on my comment today. Oshobole started it. Yeah. The man will not call Taylor. And now we have a business mogul. Economic master. Economic master. Our governor said it himself that he is an economic master, a businessman. Boy, the second name in Egbe. You think further, that is the reason of you being an economic master. Investment banker. Investment banker. That Chief Babizwa shopping mall. Only investment banker center. That place not supposed to be something that will be yielding money for those states. Than demolishing that place. Till today, una don't see say them build anything put for there. Till today, una don't see say them build anything put for that place. When I go there for 2018, I don't see anything there. Just saying, I greet you, my brother. Good evening. I don't see anything there. They not build anything there. Till today, the ground still remains sand. Nothing there. But 1 billion naira don't go. If supposing they just let the man finish that thing, or then seize him from the man hand, settle around with maybe 500,000, say, okay, go do your shopping mall for another place, but this property, we are seizing it, we are going to use it to do something else. He go for good, my people. He go still be like Government Plaza. They can give it Government Plaza. Me no care. If he give them Obaseki shopping mall, me no care. But so long, what is the need of demolition when you've got no proper plan for that place? What is the need of the... Till today, my people, Chief Babizwa shopping mall where they destroy. That place still remains zero. Nothing there. Nothing there. If you invest 1 billion naira, at least by now, you're supposed to don't get no how. Like 2 billion. What is the meaning of demolishing property when you know you cannot afford, you cannot rebuild the property, I beg. Edo State project na demolition. That is the only project Edo State have. Demolition. Edo State project na demolition. Nothing else, my people. A demolition one. Why me obey? So we should all clap for you people. You guys won. Demolition is your project. We will not get another project again. Is that not a shameful thing? Edo State don't have gele. Edo State, common even overhead bridge. Edo State not get. Edo State not get one single one. If all this property where they and the money they will take rent those caterpillar. Those caterpillar where they go demolish, they go rent, they pay. The people where you want go demolish and they go see pay them. No be money. No be money. Is that not wastage? Is that not wastage? Now, so businessmen, they tell they think. Now, so businessmen tell they think. Inner land seaport. Inner land seaport. All this property where you they demolish, so you not feel use one of them to do warehouse. Say, okay, this is not the warehouse for Edo land. Even if you can't come out tomorrow, another person can't enter. If it be say the person go see say that place they bring money, they come from Edo people. If they bring money, they come from Edo pocket. If they not go give and return her back to the owner. What is this politics of bitterness? What is the meaning of politics of hatred? There is no priority here. My last video, I talk about priority. Know your priority. Focus on what you want to do. Focus on what you tell other people to do. How can a businessman be ruling the state and the state is filled with demolition? Baba Nagi say, Domo. The thing at the shame, Economic master is ruling our dear state, and the state has nothing to show for it other than demolition. Baba David, I greet you, Baba. My good evening. The state is filled with demolition, nothing else, oh, nothing else. If you talk, then go say me you not come home. Why did they worry your home? Una ye, make una not worry. My own. I no get wetin I put for Nigeria. When I want go wrong, take. My papa no dey there. My mama no dey there. I no get. The only person where they make me be they go. Don't die. That's my grandmother. So why did they worry? Why worry? Why worry? That is why, my people, if you have opportunity to invest in this Europe that you are living, do it, Do it. Especially those of you that came through Libya or anything. Go to school. I always tell you people, go to school, go and learn their language. Go to school, go to any school, go and even learn their handwork. If you finish language school, go learn handwork. Solidify yourself in wherever you are living. Be you a man, be you a woman. Solidify yourself in where you are living. Because I don't think anybody with his right sense now will say they want to go and invest in Edo. Maybe you not see anybody back from Benin again. Because everybody they fear. When the land is now in chaos, Edo land now don't become land of demolition. So who want to go invest there? Who want to go invest there? If you go be say you just buy property there today, the government go come tell you say this land now so erosion cross am, now so it they block way. Now so if they do this one, then it demolition. How about now Lagos if they go sell land now? A Lagos in Agbewe for. Because nobody is trying to invest. Everybody is scared. People they fear to go invest for Edo land. Because Okwe demolition roe. Demolition is in town. Demolition is in town. Edo State has no project. No overhead bridge, no street lights, but we've got demolition as our project. The only project Edo State have now is demolition of property, demolition of hotel, demolition of whatever it may be. It might even be tomorrow now. They park a car, demolish everywhere. Edo State has become a land of demolition. Whereby a lot of Edo people now, they see them. Then they run, they go Lagos, go they invest. Fear not let anybody invest for Edo land again. Is that not a shameful thing? It's a shameful thing. We have economic master ruling us. We have a investment banker ruling Edo land. And they cannot make use of those property. Chief Bobizwa shopping mall would have been the highest. A shopping mall of 1 billion naira. What do you think, my people? What do you think? Would that shopping mall would have yield for Edo land? You fit seize am from the man hand, me no quarrel. Seize am what? You can seize property than demolish it. Government for abroad, they seize property here. Then they seize property. Once they seize that property, after they don't make use of them, they fit still rent them out. They fit seize them from a hand, especially if you get mortgage, you no fit pay your mortgage. Then go seize them. If they seize them finish, that place, they fit give them maybe, especially those way, be say maybe now office, then buy office, they no coffee pay, they fold up. That office, the government fit still rent a house. Now there you will see some people where be say, few time, you will see some places now. Those way live in diaspora, you will see some places now. Under you will just see new shop. Within the shortest time, maybe 5-6 months, that shop they don't see closer. Because government don't seize that place from the people hand. Then go come rent them out to anybody individual where be say they get anything to sell. Later on, now they'll come go auction the house out. Now auction, they'll come go auction the house, sell them out. They know they destroy. If they want rebuild, they don't see say that property don't give them. It get one way that they destroy for near our house now. Each person, I think they were having is about let me just say about 50 tenants living there. 50. Now flat, about 5-story building, very big. But they settled them. They gave each person 7,000 naira. Mr. Governor, those hotels where you they destroy, you settle the people where they work there. You settle them, at least you go settle the owner of the hotel or the owner of the shopping mall, make it settle those where they work there. I be not be so that they do it for abroad, yeah, on a way they work. If you lose your job, government, they'll first pay you. If na 6 months you want to sit down for us, you go first sit down. But government go they pay you 70% of your salary. So those people where they work for that hotel now, those state governor settle them. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. It's very shameful. It's very shameful that a civilized governor is ruling the state. And the state is filled with demolition. Very shameful. Then they say, so can they write some stupid comments? Oshomole demolish house. Oshomole demolish house. You want to use Oshomole or take compare? Because I remember those days when I hear from people. They say, those way build house for a road. When Oshomole want to expand the road, it destroys some houses. For them to be able to expand those roads. I beg, when a governor want to expand road, I be they don't put road for near Comretoni Kabaka Hotel when it destroy. Comretoni Kabaka Hotel now where he first did there. That place now na road it can't be. Now question I ask. They expand the road past there. Even the one where they destroy on Saturday now, the na road they put there. The one where they destroy today now for Akenzuwa shopping mall. Now road they put there. Why it be saying now just one building that they mark go they destroy? 50 buildings go just line up. You just go one. Just destroy and come up for there. Go another one again. Go another place. Go destroy one, come up for there. This one are politics of bitterness. It's politics of bitterness. It's politics of hatred. It's politics that people should be scared of you. It's what the governor is playing. It's what that regime is playing. Because if you say this person, he not get the right paper, he not get the town planning, he not get the whatever. As a government, you can seize that property and convert it. Convert it. Because the mistake has been made instead of you to demolish that house. The mistake has been made. But what I see here is just bitterness. It is bitterness. Maybe that Mojona, maybe that person not do waiting the right thing. Because now governor supporter, they say he be. Now 4+4 member, now he get the hotel where they destroy on Saturday. So it's possible the person trespass. This na regime of no trespass, no transgress. Now we dey so. Regime of no trespass. If you talk and demolish your house, if you talk and demolish your property, if you say anything and demolish your this, if you say anything, don't come to Nigeria. If you say anything, don't come to Benin. Why don't go here? Not be who they hungry to go. Forget that thing. Holiday where you go for Nigeria, where you they even they fear, they use one eye, they sleep. You go stay for house, fear not go let you sleep. You go hotel, go sleep, fear not go let you sleep. Now that one be holiday. Throw away that thing. Throw away that thing. Some of us don't already they used to say, just go different country for Europe, enjoy yourself. If you don't want to fly, carry your car, go. If you sabi drive. Drive, go. Drive, go enjoy yourself. Nobody go kill you there. It's a land of no return. That man will come from America that day now. The man be say he go come back. The man thought he was coming back to his family. Maybe he has already called his family, telling them that, oh, daddy will be coming home today. Daddy will be coming home. He don't already make arrangements down for airport. Say, see how they want to pick him. See his flight schedule. See everything. At the end of the day, he couldn't make it. Only one do I where if person no come Bini. But it will not stop us from not talking. We will keep on talking. We will keep on talking. Until we see tangible development, tangible projects. Come over Air Bridge, I don't know get. The only thing we are proud of is demolition. You see some nuisance. Some people will get bipolar disorder, they write comments. Oshomola started it. So many waiting Oshomola do, a governor that went to school, economic master, investment banker. We follow the same line. It's a shameful thing. It's possible, city boss. Not true. It's possible now old PDP. It's possible now old PDP. Because I hear say PDP then get quanta, the new and the old. So now to pepper them now. Pepper the old. Pepper the old. How can you come to somebody's house and you start demolishing their house? A house that gave you shelter. A house that gave you umbrella to cover yourself. You start demolishing their house. And beautiful sister Stella, I greet. You go Benio. You not go Benio. If person they go Nigeria, una know now. If you they go Nigeria, you are ready to do 3 days dry fasting. No, when me na jijarere. Ala. If now your husband they go, now you will be wife way there Orion wega kele. Because you don't know what will happen. If not the wife they go or family they go, una never see where family or they go, then go say make una no enter the same car, or me una no enter the same flight. That one a holiday. Now fear, panic, now all those things can't be for people body. A land where security no day. If you they go, you can't they tell, hey, if brother. Una no now, because my eye don't see one way. Be say even a boy of 14 years old boy set his senior brother up just because of 50,000 naira. Go arrange with people, make them kidnap his senior brother. Those ones kidnap his senior brother, share money, give him. At the end of the day, they kill that senior brother too. Upon all these ones where can they go on security, no they then demolition come full everywhere. You feel come from abroad, they sleep in house. In the morning, they'll carry caterpillar, come use a bulldozer your house. Nothing. Una when they shout 4+4 talk back. If it be said tomorrow, una house go there inside. Those of una way they write useless comment from my wall. Many of una tomorrow night, if it be say, maybe all those ones where just they write all those nonsense from my wall. They never build house. They not even get land. In 50 by 100. Because if you don't get 50 by 100, you don't mold block. Where it be say smith na 4,000 naira. You go think for another person where use money, take build mansion like that. The person will just come overnight, carry caterpillar, sink and down. Because of waiting now. Because of waiting. Then they forbid government supermarkets. Those sets get shopping mall. Then they forbid say convert those shopping mall to government property. Then they forbid say you convert that hotel to government hotel. Then they forbid. We there abroad. Sometimes you go get supermarket where you go. Now government supermarket. Now government supermarket, not be individual supermarket, but now government supermarket. Now there things for cheap pass. Now there everybody want to go. You will go some shopping mall. You will go some supermarket. Don't wait till they say €3 there. If you go government supermarket, you will see a buy for €2, €1. That is the meaning of government. What is the need of destroying things? Like that hotel now. He go settle the person half of the money, claim the property to become government hotel. If the rest people, they do their hotel for 5,000 naira for a room. If he bring the government hotel to one room, 3,000 naira. A lot of people will rush there, give them maximum security. Now see money for a Edo State pocket. Okay, me until say economic guru go they think like this. Even those shopping mall, if they forbid, me I don't care. Even if he say Obaseki shopping mall, I don't care. But what is the meaning of destroying things when you know you have no one tangible project? How many school our governor don't build? How many school the governor, Edo State governor, don't build for Edo land? How many he don't build for the land? Can't they convert those things to like kind of government private school also? I'm surprised, oh. Yeah, a lot of people say he's the best because many of them because they are happy that he's destroying people's property. Those are the demonic people, the wicked people we have in Edo land. How will you be happy that seeing that they are destroying somebody's money? Smith of 4,000 naira for one bag. Then they sink the property down. You they happy say, before una talk, make una the reason where. Before una talk, make una the think where. Think where say because they fit demolish person money, they fit destroy person money. Who invest 1 billion naira and then in return, you don't get 1 kobo from investment. That person, they never see can down like that. Even if Phoebe said that 1 billion naira, now bank he go borrow that money. Tell me how that person want to pay the money back to the bank again. Whereby waiting he invest and put, he no see gain. But rather than demolish the property without settlement, then they say go to court, go to court. Which court? Comrade Tony Kabaka another court. Not be a State government get the judges, get the courts, get everything. Sometimes some people, I don't know. I don't know how Edo people think. Believe me, my people, Edo State will be very, very difficult to liberate. Edo people, majority of Edo people, their mindset is so myopic, is so wicked, is so devilish that you cannot fight for them. I don't lie. You not fit fight for Edo people and win. No. Majority of them, their mind in a wickedness. Their mind in a to destroy. Their minds, the majority of Edo people, when there is destruction in the land, they will be happy. They will be happy. So people like that, you cannot fight for them. We will just they talk now. We just they talk. We are just talking our own. Many are just happy. Despite some still read down say the person where they destroy your hotel on Saturday, now governor supporter, then still they happy say you destroy him. See my people, now for fear Edo people. Despite they know say that person where they destroy your hotel, Mr. Victor Ihile, say now still 4+4 member. Now Obaseki supporter. They were still happy seeing that property being destroyed. Ivani Yohana Mumeni Edo, to God who made me. I fear those people. I fear them. Majority they say wins the vote. The land is filled with wicked souls. Wicked minds that will be happy when there is destruction in the land. Now there, I shake my head for Edo people today. They destroy person money on Saturday. Today, they destroy person money. And Edo people, they are so happy. No, nobody is safe in that land. Oh. Nobody is safe. Nobody is safe. If you are wise, don't invest in Edo land. Believe me. If you are wise, don't invest in Edo land. Believe me. Just they put your money for bank. Don't invest, to God who made me. Don't invest. Because if you say you want to go invest there now, if it be say the property where you want to go buy, that property, they don't mark and down, say then go destroy it. Your money don't go. Your money don't go. Your money, it don't go. You go where? So what will you do? You cannot do anything. Rather, just put your money for bank. Go invest for place where be say you don't get wahala. Because I don't know they move again. Fear not let anybody buy things for Edo land again. Even Edo state governor, he get things for Benin. He not get. In all projects not there Edo land, then they Lagos. He's safe and sound in Lagos. So now you tell me, you where you want go invest? Who they rule your land? In all property they Lagos. Now you now want to carry your head with your money, can go invest there. No. No. I beg my people. If you know you are qualified, don't be selfish with your money. No go say, if I never build house for Nigeria, make I not invest here. If you know you are qualified to buy a house in wherever you are living, in diaspora, do that as soon as possible for your children's future. For your children's future. It's possible now person where get that shopping mall or even that hotel. Maybe fear not let them eat for abroad here. Fear not let them eat. Instead, make them eat better food. Don't go they eat bread with cheese, with butter. All in the name made them for gather money, carry go Nigeria and say they want to go invest. This is the outcome of the investment. So if you are wise, you change your mindset. Change your mindset. If you are wise, change your mindset. Because where you are living, all these things where we they go Nigeria and go they do. Sometimes in our selfishness. Believe me, in our selfishness. If you see where Oyibo they spend money for their vacation, we black, we know they feel spend them. The second-hand clothes where some people they go buy for their children, they go buy for themselves. Una sure say the Oyibo way wear them, go put for places, they get money personal. No. But we black, but because we want to starve ourselves, we want to go invest back home. The back home whereby you don't even know whether if you go come back alive. Whereby you don't even know, you go, they call different pastors, different native doctor, different prophets, may they pray for you. May you forgo, come back. And the investment at the end of the day, you don't even know whether that property will be. So what is the need? Believe me, believe me, if really you are living in Sister Joyce, good evening, Koje Bota, Egbebo Imobo. If you are living in diaspora, do everything by all means to make sure you have a solid foundation here before thinking of doing anything back home. Make sure you have a solid foundation for your children here. Don't go and starve your children and then be thinking gathering money where some mumu they do. Go they gather money, go they invest for Nigeria. Maybe if a Russian not kill them, they will say town plan kill them. And I saw this one kill them. Now so government property kill them. At the end of the day, that investment is a waste. It's a waste. You not fit go invest. You not fit go invest 50,000 naira for Nigeria. Say under 5 years, you go get that 50,000 euro back. Let's say 50,000 euro. Say you go invest 50,000 euro for Nigeria. Under 5 years, you will be getting that 50,000 euro back. No, it's not possible. It is not possible. It's not possible. So think wise. Think wise. When you know, say you did this diaspora and you get children here, you never invest for them here. That property where you they go invest for house. Which of your children want go house? One go sit down for inside darkness, inside mosquito, inside dirty, no cleaning water, no good health, no hospital, nothing there. So which of your children where you know say you born for abroad here, where you want go Nigeria, go sit down there? Sometimes you all have to think, You all have to change your mindset. Change your mindset, my brothers and sisters. Because why I'm saying it, that you should change your mindset. Don't starve yourself. And they see some people, if they want buy clothes, fear not go let them buy. If they want buy things for children, even their children money, then go gather around. Yeah, what gather? They want go build house for Africa. Oh, fear. Oh, yeah. Now there you can see some people go, they use egg. They cook stew. Egg, they cook soup. Bread. Spaghetti is the order of the day. All in the name of investment for back home. You get things, sometimes you get some kind of money where you get. That is why I love when people, be you a single mother. Be you a single mother. I will address that issue one day. Anytime I feel like. Even if you are a single mother, you are single, go and work. There is benefit in working. A lot of people don't understand. There is benefit in working. When you are working, you can move mountain. Again, when you work, you feel work 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. But that work where you work, make sure you use that salary, that paper, your pay slip. Use that to do something for where you dey live. I don't mean your money. You feel they save your money. But that your pay slip for where you dey live. You make sure say it yield you something. You want to go invest for Africa. You don't know tomorrow whether erosion go finish am. You will go use 50 million naira to build house finish. Under 1 year, if tenant not destroy wetin dey inside. Even the rent money, you not go even see am. The highest you can get in a year, maybe 3 million, 4 million. But when you invest that money here, you will know what you will get under 5 years. I beg my people, may we change our mindset. Change your mindset, oh. They change your mindset. You got some investment where you still do for year. You put your money for bank here. Then go they put interest for you too. Then go they put interest. If your children want go university, no stress for them again. If they want to do their driving license when they are 17 years, no stress again. You know me say they themselves, the children will go also come or go work come. Because papa and mama don't carry their money, go Nigeria, go use and build house. House where they go once in a year. House where be say if they even rich, they go they fear in your baba boom. You go starve your children, starve their future, starve everything about them. Many people for this abroad, they cannot give account of the money where they pay their children. They not fit give account. In Africa, some of us don't do all those things pass, but sometimes it's good you change your mindset. Change your mindset. Change your mindset. You cannot continue to give. Either you give family or the family where you they give some na beer parlor that they end up. A beer parlor. Who did this abroad where be say 7 o'clock you don't carry pounded yam they eat? You know they. But for Nigeria, they 7 o'clock, even 6 o'clock, they don't they eat pounded yam with bushmeat. But you when they work the money, fear no go let you eat them here. Not be say you not get the money. Sometimes you go they watch your weight, may you not come over fat. May doctor not come go they complain. May you not come get a health issue. At the end of the day, where no one will have invested, where me. So what is the need? I beg my people, we need to change our mindset because those state governor, what he is doing is like I'm not happy. I'm not happy the way is ruling at those states. No, it's not. That when you are economic master, investment banker, you motivate people to come and invest. But rather, you are destroying people's investment. It's in the fear me. Oh. My sister, the house got become family house. You never go get something. I get a lot of story. Never hear where family go tell you. So family, they go tell you, say, your children are abroad, you born there now. They know they come house now. Meaning that your property don't become their own. That your property, it don't become their own. Once some family don't they tell you, say, your children are abroad, you for born them. Where wherefore? Wherefore? I beg my people, it good make we dey change our mindset. Make we dey change our mindset. You know me say because I dey support governor. If governor do something where not right, then I no go come tell governor. No, it's not good. It's not good. Investment bankers supposed to know that yes, those are people investment. Those things are people investment. He is supposed to even help them manage them. The governor is supposed to help them manage that investment so that they go succeed. Then he will motivate. Investment bankers supposed to motivate people to come a dollar to come and invest. But rather, demolition is the order of the day. Demolition, and they sing everywhere. Demolition and music now. Demolition. If you don't want your property to be demolished, you better keep quiet. Even though singing Togba. And there you see Edo people, they are happy that the property is. No. Now there I fear Edo people. I'm not loud now. I fear Edo people. Say some just they happy say then demolish the properties. Then demolish the property that they happy. They could not advise the governor and say, at least the governor not even need advice. To God who made me governor, Godwin Obaseki doesn't need advice. Because he is an economic master, he is an investment banker. He's supposed to know what he go use those property do. Baba Michael agreed. Good evening. Investment banker supposed to know what he want use those property do. Oh, they say he marked 30 property for demolition. Dofo. 4 + 4. Togba. How about Ogbane? Ogbane, the only project you people have in Edo State is demolition. Overhead bridge is demolition. Gele Gele is demolition. International airport is demolition. Name it all. Everything is demolition. Osiamo power plant is demolition. Owama, Wawa, de ribbon. Mona go buy ribbon. They put for all those places one they demolish. Make una buy ribbon put. Make una invite President Buhari. Make it concordant. On a project. On a project. It's project. We should say the truth. There are people who just say they want demolish as their own project. So for that, you need to commission your project. I can never support such evil. Evil meti on I can never support such wickedness. If you are me and they do business right from childhood. So if you are a businessman, you have the mindset of doing business, you will never be happy when you see money being wasted, money being destroyed. You will never be happy. Every businessman always think how they are going to one step ahead, how they are going to make use of their money. That is the mindset of businessmen. Even oya yi kobokpa hi kobe vai or a mindset a businessman. A mindset a businessman a demolition. What are we saying? I will never be happy no matter what, regardless of whatever it may be. Regardless of whatever it may be. See, if they settle these people, I'm not sure I said they go they demolish. So the right make them go court. Who get caught? Who got the judge? Who got the judge? You will go take lawyer. You just waste your money. Because you are going to fight a fight of no return. You are never going to win it. Who owns the judge in Edo State? Who owns the judge in Edo State? Abiuna and not see all this court case, court issue where go on for Edo land. Una don't see where the governor not win. Oh, come and some people go just they talk about Gwaligo. I agree. Lucky Pontiff, lucky. See, I saw your comments. You are one of those who are wicked souls. You get me? I should get the rightful information. What rightful information is more information that seeing people money being destroyed. What is rightful information? What rightful information do you want that properties are being destroyed? People's investment are being destroyed. Are you happy? I guess you are one of the wicked souls that comes from Edo land. Can't the government seize those property and change it to something else? Instead of demolishing them? I never see where Edo people, I just tire for Edo people. Then they happy say governor, they demolish people property, people investment. Do you know that place when they destroy so? Now people they employ there. Those people now, they don't remove food from their mouth. Tomorrow now, they cry, say ham rubber full everywhere. Court is full everywhere. The one where they come out from all those schools, all those schools, those students, una don't find them. Una know what that they do. Not to talk of Comrade Tony Kabaka and people where they work for that hotel. Una know the outcome of their life till today. Why are some of you so wicked? Some of Edo people so wicked? The mindset of a lot of Edo people is filled with wickedness, backwardness. Now he make the state not progress. Now he make the state not progress. And una come dey happy now. Una see governor where una they give mark they give where they do the bidding for una. They do the bidding for una. Demolition. You know, that's why you go see sometimes for this Facebook, some people, you get some comments when I read today. Then I I got scared of Edo people. Some said they love saga. That whenever there is saga, they are happy. That their spirit is being lifted up. So, meaning they love evil. You that is saying I should get the right information, do you think anybody now with a normal brain will come to Edo land now and go and invest? Even the Togberians now, fear no go let them go invest again. Fear no go let them go invest. Amega sinyo to segbe ya na hina. Amega sinyo to segbe ya na hina. Even those that supported the governor that lives in diaspora, fear no go let them say they want go Edo land go invest. Rather, they will take their money to Lagos. They will take their money to Lagos. Abuna never see a lot of Edo people where they go buy property, they go full everywhere. If Lagos not be hot cake, una sure say Abatabanse go for day Lagos now. Because here Edo people fear not let them invest there again. Because many of them now don't know say once you invest, tomorrow now they fit come mark your property. Your money is waste. You don't get what you want do there. You just carry caterpillar, sick and down. You leave the ground like that. For Biswa, when I go 2018, the ground there. Oh, Tonok Bavino, nothing there. But a shopping mall of almost 900 and something million naira is sick and down. Going to $1 billion naira. Sometimes you people need to be thinking. You need to think. You are looking for ways to create job. And you are seeing people investing. Creating job. That shopping mall. Una know how many people there are for employed there. How many sales girls? A place where they invest 1 billion put. Una know how many sales girls? How many bar? How many restaurants? How many this? Where go for there? Even the hotel where they destroy on Saturday, those workers now, what will be their outcome? What will be their outcome? Even if the mama day now, some mothers they go thief, eh? Una no say for Edo, some women they go thief. Some they go thief, made they for seafood they feed their children. Those women now where be say that they go wash clothes or that they go clean the rooms. What is the order of the day? Is that how you are going to survive, Edo people? Sometimes you use your mind to think further. Don't think about what is going on. Those property were not supposed to be destroyed. The governor is supposed to change those property to something else. Change it to something else that will still be bringing money for the state. You go destroy shopping mall today. Edo State, they forbid government shopping mall. Edo State, they forbid Obaseki shopping mall. Say he can't seize them, he can't use and change to government shopping mall. That if Edo people want buy cheap gari, then go there, go buy. If Edo people want buy cheap yam, then go there, go buy. So long na government own, they call them. Then they forbid. Sometimes una know they think. A lot of Edo people, both the ones where they abroad here, many know they think beyond. That is it, my brother. Then go, no, the person where he destroy your hotel on Saturday now, they say na 4+4 member. It's possible now hold 4+4. So it's a shameful thing. It's disgraceful. Edo State get economic master, investment banker, ruling the state, and those property have been demolished. Instead of them to change it to something else that will be yielding money also, bringing eternal revenue to the state also. Now there I fear. Now then I me fear. The current Oshomola fait douan. Is Oshomola investment banker? Is Oshomola economic master? Una se na telo. So because Oshomola did it years ago, so it is time now that the governor should also do. Is it a payback? Is that what Edo State politics has become? Go to their war, una no go ever see all those videos where we they share they go so. You know they about Obaze war. Yemwe gboni. You know they comrade show war. You know they. Even Apostle Alfred, you know when you apostle me mama no mwe babo no nyobo. You know they. The diaspora connect now the connector. Me no come the hear from my gay. You know they. They are the one that are supposed to explain to us now the reason why those things are being destroyed. Then you can go say, me I go to do my findings. Do my findings as in what? When the governor have a PRO. The governors, they have PRO. They have their website. They're supposed to place it, the reason of why this property is being demolished. Why we demolish this thing. Why we do this. Why we do this. But so long they are not telling us, it shows it is politics of bitterness. It is politics of bitterness, politics of hatred. Who one can go invest for such thing? Who one can go invest for such thing? You wait, they say, make I go do my findings. Will you now carry your money and go and invest in such place? See, this one are both APC and PDP. This one not be only one person, oh. Because he don't start to destroy the 4+4. Oh. It's unfair. It's unfair to Edo people. It's unfair to the land. It's unfair. And we never support such evil. Yeah, they all know one explanation. But as a government ruling a place, my dear sister, we live in Western world. Before they want to demolish anywhere, they make it public for everybody to know their reason, their aims of doing it, and what they are going to do there later. What they are going to do there later. Me never see, since I did this Europe, I never see where they demolish one place. Then they just can't leave the ground like that. Nothing. It's not done. It's not done. Is it that they use it to create playground for children to be playing? But most places in a house that they build, once they just sit down, if na 5-story building there, they'll come change down to 10-story building. Come put shopping mall under. Make the place more beautiful for people, more attractive. Some people, they pay for penthouse here, 1,000 euro in a month. For 2-bedroom flat, 1,000 euro. I know, my dear sister, I know it's what they are saying. I've read a lot of their comments. I find out that majority of Edo people, their heart is filled with evil. Their heart is filled with bewa, kill him, finish him. Such people, you can never fight for them. You can never fight for them. We that are talking, it's not a winning battle. It's not a winning battle because majority of Edo people, they are disgraceful. They don't reason it beyond. The only thing that gives them, oh, governor, so long I'm supporting you, finish this person, destroy this person. But they forgot that tomorrow it will come to them. Okay, look at those 2 shopping malls when they destroy now. Maybe when they destroy Kabaka own that time now, the people where they destroy their own now Saturday and today now, they not talk put. But in my way, all the singagbe, or zuogi no come here. I will never support such evil. Because people invested money, either good or bad. And a person get the sweat. Then they forbid if the state, Edo State get their own shopping mall. Then they forbid say if Edo State get their own hotel. Then they forbid. And people make a live on a day, don't done. The thing he pay me to God who made me. He pay me. If you are a businessman, you think beyond. If you are a businessman, you think beyond, because you will always be thinking what will give you money, what will bring money, what will add to your money, not what will reduce. Or will not destroy a hotel now. Either tomorrow now, maybe the man gets heart attack, or he get BP, or he gets this thing. What do you think? Comrade Tony Kambaka, do you people know the pain he's feeling? Chief Bobiswa, do you people know the pain he's feeling? Because in a time, why have any mafia wegbe? Why have any mafia wegbe? I remember those days where some people they play coupon. If they lose, I know the pain whether they feel for normal common coupon. Am I women where you go ya buffone? Then they'll just sit down with no compensation, nothing whatsoever. And people will be happy. Do you know the pain? Do you know the sweat? Maybe some of the money now they go borrow. You don't know. And they will have to pay the bank. Person will not get BP before. He go can't get BP. He go develop BP by homies. Automatic stress go enter. From there you will get diabetes. Different sickness go come, they come. Because you didn't bargain for such thing. We should tell ourselves the truth. The pains that you cannot harbor for your own self, don't give it to somebody else. And in where or asunu that where settings you everywhere damare. I'm against such evil. I'm against such evil. I don't support such evil. No matter what. I can never support such thing. Because you are inflicting pain on another person. Demolishing property for what reason? The governor, he get our governor, Edo State governor, na question. Una see investment for Edo State is a question. Edo people, our governor, una see your investment for Edo State. What be the name? I want to know. Please, if you know, his own investment in Edo land, his hotel, his a shopping mall, his a business center, his name it all. If he did Edo land, make una bring him, make we see applaud him, make we thank him. Good evening, my brother. I will sign there. Agreed. Make una bring him come out, make we see thank the governor. Now, so me I see her. Make Edo people for no say, okay, our governor got his own a property investment for Edo land. Because now Lagos on me no. Now for you, I read down that day when somebody writes the day where he say he want give widows money. Somebody write say he own house for Abuja, he don't finish her. Edo must move forward. How will Edo move forward when demolition is everywhere? E cannot tell you mose the next thing if you see an ordinary ground is daybreak. He command food for people, Matt. He destroys somebody money. Huh? Those workers now automatically some way be say they not become maybe the girls now, automatically you are sending them to prostitution. The young girls doing cleaning or whatever in that hotel, you are sending them to prostitution. Now, the boys, you are sending them automatically to cultists, kidnapper, name it all. Okay, basically they destroy. Or for community they destroy. The thing tire me to God who made me. Though don't become a place of no return. To God, I don't lie. I don't lie. Me, I know they like say, no matter the offense of that person, no matter what, if you know say you not get project for that place, what is the need of destroying it? What is the need? Where we are boy, where my dear, what is the need? Some go say town planning, a survey, this one, no match with the law. Just one building out of 100 building, only one you just pick come out there. It ain't tire me, oh. Even the Togberian, they themselves, the Togberian themselves, they fear to go invest for Edo land. We should say the truth. This fire is going to burn everybody. This fire is going to burn the whole of Edo State indigenous. Nobody can invest this period in Edo land. Investment banker destroying investment. Now down and there, the thing fear me. The thing fear me. Investment banker destroying investment. How that one can't take correct, my people? Sister Roslyn, I greet you, my dear sister. The thing fear me. Investment banker destroying investment. Well, we should say the truth. We should say the truth. We should say the truth. If you live in diaspora, please gather your money here. Gather your money, Ahua. Gather your money. If you not fit buy house here, maybe picking where you born here. If you dey 18 years, you dey work, you fit had your money, join your own money. Instantly, your picking go buy house at the age of 18, 19. If you dey work, then they always dey answer children. You get the way where they tell they do one. So if you don't know, ask question. Than for you to go and invest in a place whereby at the end of the day, your investment is zero, is gone. Gather your money here. Once your pikin turn 18, is an adult automatically here. He go fit buy house. He go fit buy house. The thing they tire everybody because now both APC, PDP, APGA, the whole of Edo State indigenous, now in this fire one burn. Even those who support the government, they don't feed the heat. It's unfair. It's unfair to the land. It's unfair to the land. It's unfair to Edo State indigenous. That is why I saw some comments this afternoon. I was so hungry. I look at them. I went to their Facebook. I said, no, these people, they are still backward in brain. You feel use them, do another thing. Use them, do another thing. Those states, you know, they forbid government shopping mall. Government shopping mall. If people for market they sell cocoyam for 15 naira, you can't they sell for 30 naira. Make them beautiful. They're not they forbid. They're not they forbid. But the thing can't tire me. What it tire me be say now governor way be say you don't stay abroad. They say now America is for grow. I never see where American president go just carry bulldozer, go sink this thing down, sink the other one down, sink the other one down. Come on there. So they say go court. Who got the court? Who got the judges there? Forget that thing. Comrade Tony Kabak cannot dey court. Una don't see the head and the tail. Una don't see the result of the court case today. Case no dey court well before it got demolished. We should be, if you want to say the truth, say the truth. That you know that when these people, if they go to court, there is no result coming out there. There is no result. No judge. A judge, Akmaira, or your bank, and a governor of time, those states in it. You know they. So forget that court case that you people are saying. We should say the truth here. Now people are live una here, una do well, una good night. This fire is for everybody. It's going to burn the whole of Edo State. This fire is for everybody. It is scary. It is scary that nobody can invest in Edo land. Nobody. Nobody. You know if you go buy land now. Because if you buy land now, tomorrow they will tell you say na government land. If you go build that now, they will tell you say na government land you build put. I don't see kewa. My dear sister, honey, the thing tire me. The thing tire me. The thing tire me. Somebody for abroad, they rule Edo State. And the state is going down. It's just going backward. You know, nice, oh. The thing they pain. If you know they pain Edo people, they pain. They pain. Me, I no fit support anybody wey come from abroad saying want go rule Edo land again. Rather, me una support who dey house, who know the pain of the people. That was my reason of supporting POI, because he dey house, he know the pain. No be you come from abroad, you don't know how we take they live. Never, never. My people, una good evening. I greet all of una. Una sleep well. Please think about it. Save your money here. If you cannot buy a house, your children can buy. Your children can buy. When you have a lot of money to pay the percentage out of it, instantly there is no bank that will not give them money. That will not give them money. So long they know that they are still young, they can work and pay them their money back. My good night. I greet all of you now. It's scary. Thank you all so much.